Good morning. My name is Miss Pam. I'm with Imagine Children's Museum, and this morning we are here today with a little science lab. And I have got a lot of fun things to do with water. And we are going to play and measure, and we have got lots of fun things. So let's see if we can get started. I have my bucket, and it is full of water. You're right, it's wet and it's water. And to help us be able to see that a little bit better, I'm going to add, what do you think I'm going to add? A little bit of color to it. What color have I got? Can you tell? I know. Let's see if what color it turns into. I'm going to drop a couple of drops in there. Oh my goodness, there goes one. There goes two. Oh, what color is that? It's so pretty. Let's stir it up. What do you think will happen to the water? Yep. Oh, that's so cool. That's a nice design. Oh, it's blue. You're right. It's blue. See it. Today we are going to be learning about measuring water. And I have a V word. This is volume. And that's how we measure how much water we have. Volume. Can you say that? Volume. Exactly. And I have got a very cool tool. Who knows what this is called? You're right. It's a measuring cup. And this measuring cup helps us to figure out how much water we've got. This is 1 cup. Sometimes measuring cups will hold 2 cups or 4 cups, maybe. Sometimes they even hold 8 cups. But this measuring cup, it holds 1 cup of water. Let's see if we can find out. I've got a little cup here. And we're going to count and find out how many of these little cups it takes to fill up to the 1 cup mark. Let's count together. Oh, here we go. 1, 2, I can hear you counting with me. Thanks for joining me. 3, are we up to the 1 cup mark? The 1 cup mark is right here. It's not all the way to the top of the measuring cup. It's to the 1 cup mark. And what were we on last time? 3. Now we're going to add 1 more, and it's going to be 4. Look, to the 1 cup mark. It took 4 of these to fill to the 1 cup mark. I'm wondering what would happen if we put my 1 cup of water into my little bottle. I've got 2 bottles here. One is big and one is little. How many cups of water is it going to take to fill up my little water bottle? Let's find out. So I have got this really cool tool here. This is called, who knows what this is called? It's a funnel. You're right. That's an F word. Funnel. Can you say funnel? And this helps me to get my water into my bottle without spilling. Let's see how many cups. Can you make a guess? Let's predict. How many cups of water is it going to take to fill up my little water bottle? You think so? Should we find out together? All right, here we go. We're going to fill it. Oh, it's almost to the top. Oh, oh my gosh. That funnel really helped me to not spill. My water bottle is full. You're right. The water bottle is full, so it took 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water. So my big water bottle and my little water bottle, and then I've got my little bowl here. I'm wondering how many water bottles it's going to take to fill my little bowl here? What's your prediction? Oh, friends, that's a great guess. Let's see. So we're going to fill this from here. Here we go. Is it full yet? No. Let's try again. All right. And so we've got how many cups in here? One cup. 1 cup. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, it's almost full. 2 cups to the top. 2 cups. So we have 2 cups of water. 1 cup, 2 cup. What do you think? Do you think this container or this container will carry more water? What do you think? What's your prediction? Will this carry more water or will this one carry more water? Should we find out? All right, let's find out. Do you think we could just pour this one? Here we go. 1 cup. Using my funnel, I'm going to pour in. Is it going to be full? 1 cup. There's 1 cup. Should we try another one? Let's see if it takes 2. Here we go. There we go. 2 cups. It takes 2 cups. Wait a minute. This is 2 cups and this is 2 cups. They are equal. Miss Pam's E word, equal. They have the same, they carry the same volume of water. They are the same. This one's taller, this one is shorter, but this one is wider and deeper, and they carry the same amount. I am wondering, I have got an experiment. I've got 2 different kinds of paper. Right here I've got, what kind of paper is this? It's like a paper towel, you're right. And this is a special kind of paper, and it's called, you're right, you know, it's a wax paper. If I use, oh, I've got my tool here. What do we call this tool? So this is called a pipette. Sometimes at home we call it a dropper, but because we are scientists, we call it a pipette. And if you use your fingers and you pinch it, it squeezes up the water and it carries the water inside it. So if I put my dropper and drop it onto the paper towel, what do you think is going to happen? Should we find out? All right, here we go. We're going to drop 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at what happened to my paper towel. It absorbed the water, that it drank in the water, it absorbed the water. See, this is a nice big, it's wet. Yeah, it absorbed the water. This is my wax paper. What do you think is going to happen when I drop the drops onto the paper? Should we find out? Here we go. Oh my gosh, look it. It's a nice big huge drop. Look, is it absorbing the water? No, it's repelling. It's pushing the water away. So it's not going to absorb the water. The wax repels the water. Isn't that amazing? That is so fun. Do you want to see another absorb, repel that you could do at home? All right, tell me what we have here. We have got our paper. Color? What color? White, you're right. And I've got some crayons. What colors have I got? White. and orange, you got it, and oh, this one, red and green, you got it. So if I draw on my white paper with my white crayon, what's going to happen? Are you going to be able to see it? You're not going to be able to see it. Let's see if you're right. I'm going to put my name right down here, Miss Pam. Miss Pam. And I am going to draw my sunshine up here. Can you see it? There's my beautiful sunshine and my name, Miss Pam. I can't see it. Let's see if we can draw a flower and see if you can see that. Here's the flower stem and some leaves. Can you see it? Yep, exactly. And I'm going to draw some flower petals. Oh, there we go. Maybe we'll put a center in here. So you can't see Miss Pam's name and the sunshine, but you can see the flower. I've got some paint over here. This is just a little bit of paint with lots and lots of water in it. You could do this with food coloring at home and a paintbrush. And we are going to paint over my picture. What do you think is going to happen? The paint is going to get absorbed into the paper. Yes, you are right. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, look it! There's my name, Miss Pam, it says. And do you see my sunshine? Yeah. And now my pretty flower has a nice blue sky. But you can still see the flower, even though I painted over it. When I painted over the white, it made it so you could see the white. That is fabulous. So the wax crayons repelled the paint, and the paper absorbed the paint. But you can see the wax crayons because it was repelled. Isn't that so fun? You could try this at home with your crayons and white paper or light colored paper at home. You could do this with a little bit of food coloring and water with a brush. Sounds like so much fun. Our time together is just about done, boys and girls. I look forward to seeing you again next time.